Fall in Vermont is beautiful. All the oranges, reds, and yellows from the leaves on the trees. When normally envisioned, only the deciduous trees turn colors, but they are not the only trees to lose their leaves, or needles as it may be, in the fall. Conifers shed needles in the fall too. There's of course the tamarack or larch, which turns a brilliant yellow before dropping all of its needles in the fall and remaining bare throughout the winter. However, evergreens lose needles, just not all of them, in the fall also. Each species of evergreen does not lose their needles at the same rate. While eastern white pines keep each needle for a year and a half, 2 summers and 1 winter, balsam firs and spruces keep each needle for 2 to 5 summers, depending on climate, weather, and growing conditions. Each tree is different. As with all trees, some needles are lost throughout the year for various reasons, but the main loss occurs in the fall. While the leaves of deciduous trees just last 1 summer but may turn colors and fall off earlier than typical, early to mid-October, if stressful conditions, such as drought, exist, the needles on trees allow them to survive harsh winters and last more than 1 summer. The cutin, a waxy substance, layer on the needles help waterproof them, which is necessary for the needles to survive throughout the winter. This also gives needles their characteristic stiffness. In the tropics, where it is warm and wet year-round, many trees are broadleafed evergreens because there is no need for dealing with conditions which necessitate needles for year-round greenery. Even in northern climates, some broadleaf trees also do not lose all their leaves in the fall. The leaves of the white oak and beech die, but stay on the tree until the next spring. When evergreens lose their needles, new needles do not grow back in the same place. The needles which are lost come from the area closest to the trunk, away from the tips of the branches. New needles grow from the tips. This is particularly visible with cedar trees, with the oldest, closest to the center growth, turning rusty brown and falling off, while the more recent growth, near the tips, remains green for another year.